Hello dear students and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss inter first year grammar topic tenses. We are going to do the most important exercise for the final exams which will help you get full marks in the exam. Let's begin. First one, fill in the blanks with the present simple or present continuous forms of the verbs given in brackets. So students, as you know that in your final exam, the exact heading that will be given to you will be correct form of verb or suitable forms of verb. They won't mention whether it is present, past or future in the heading. So you have to see the hints in each sentence and then identify which tense it is and then apply the rule. First one, the custard apple dash a tasty and healthy fruit. So this is a fact. So it is simple present tense and the bracket word is be. So there are many be forms like is, am, are, was, were and also will be. But because custard apple is singular, that's why we'll apply is over here. Next one, the moon dash at night. So this is a fact about the moon. Again, this sentence is also simple present tense and the moon is singular. So when the subject is singular, we add an s to the verb of the bracket. So the moon appears at night. Third one, if dash now, we can't go now. So the word now over here is an indicator of present continuous tense. So we apply the rule that is mr plus v1 plus ing. V1 means the word given in the bracket, that is the base form of the verb, that is rain. So it is raining. Next one, a ray of the sun dash through a wall. So this is a fact about the sun and it is a simple present tense sentence but in negative form. So a ray of the sun does not pass through the wall. Next one, Hyderabad dash the capital of Telangana. So this is a fact and Hyderabad is singular. So be form will use is. Next one, all banks dash on the first and third Saturday of the month. So this is a fact and the subject all banks is plural. So when the subject is plural, we do not add an s to the word given in the bracket, that is the base form. So all banks open is the answer. Next one, people dash Telugu in AP and Telangana. Now this is a fact. So it is simple present tense and the subject people is plural. So again, like the previous one, we will not add an s to the verb. We'll apply the rule of simple present tense. People speak. My English teacher usually dash English in the classroom. So over here, the hint is usually. We use usually for simple present tense. So simple present tense rule is my English teacher usually speaks because English teacher is singular subject. So we need to add s to the verb. But surprisingly, she dash Telugu now. So now word is an indicator of present continuous tense. So the rule is mr plus v1 plus ing. So is speaking. Next one, dash the North Indians dash chapatis daily. So daily is an indicator of simple present tense because it is a habit and because the subject the North Indians is plural. So we need to use the base form of the verb. So do the North Indians eat chapatis daily? Next one, dash he dash any job at present. So over here at present is a hint and it indicates present continuous tense. So present continuous tense we need to apply over here. So is mr plus v1 plus ing. So is he doing any job at present? Next one, usually I dash all doors before going to bed. So the hint over here is usually and it indicates simple present tense, a habit. So with simple present tense, when the subject is I, we use the base form. So usually I close all doors before going to bed. Next one, dash your dash in ghost. So this is a simple present tense question and the subject over here is you. So when you get the subjects like I, you, we or they, we have to use do for the question. But if our subject is he, she, or it, then we can use does. And obviously, the base form of the verb, that is believe. So, do you believe in ghost? Next one, my father dash a TV serial at this moment. So at this moment is a hint over here which indicates present continuous tense. So we apply the rule, that is MR plus V1 plus ing. So our subject father is singular. We cannot use are over here. We have to use is plus V1, that is watch, plus ing. So is watching. 14th one, water dash during winter in some parts of the Atlantic Ocean. So this is a scientific fact. And water over here is singular. So when the subject is singular, we add an S to the verb. So the answer is water freezes during winter in some parts of the Atlantic Ocean. Next exercise, fill in the blanks with the present perfect or the present perfect continuous forms of the verbs given in brackets. First one, Aarti dash in films since her marriage with Raghu, a film director. So in this sentence, the hint is since. The word since indicates that this action started in the past and still is continued till now. So it is past perfect continuous tense. So what is the rule? The rule is has or have been plus V1 plus ing. So Aarti over here is singular. We cannot use have. We have to use has. So has been acting. Act is the V1 form, so we made it acting. Second one, she dash in about 20 films so far. So the word so far indicates that the action is completed till now. So the tense is present perfect and the rule is has or have plus V3. So she over here is singular subject. So we need to use has plus V3 means appear will change to appeared. So she has appeared. Third one, I dash just dash a call. So the word just indicates recently completed action. It means present perfect tense. So present perfect tense rule is has or have plus V3 and with I we use have. So I have just and V3 form is received. Receive will change to received. Fourth one, she dashed the exam fee yet. So over here the hint is yet. Yet indicates an action that is not completed till now. The tense is present perfect tense. It means we need to apply has or have plus V3. So she is singular. So we will use has. Because in the bracket they have given not. So we'll write has not and pay will change to paid. That is the V3 form of pay. Fifth one, how dash you dash this TV program? When you have words like how long, for, or since, that time it is present perfect continuous. So the rule is have or has plus been plus V1 plus ing. So with how we use have. So how long have you been watching this TV program? So there is a sentence error over here. After how, it should be long. So how long have you been watching this TV program? Next exercise, fill in the blanks with the simple past, the past continuous, the past perfect, and the past perfect continuous forms of the verbs given in brackets. First one, the tsunami dash while the sailors dash the boats. So in this one, two actions are happening at the same time. So we need to find out which action is happening longer and which is happening shorter. So I understand that sailors rowing the boats was a longer action. So that's why it is past continuous. So the sailors were rowing. Why were? Because for past continuous tense we use was or were plus V1 plus ing. So sailors is plural. So we'll use were rowing. And the shorter action here is that the tsunami broke. So that's why it is simple past tense. So simple past tense of break is broke. Second one, how dash you dash your childhood? So here we are talking about a finished time in the past. So is childhood finished? Yes. So simple past tense would be spend. Already it is given in the bracket. So how did you spend your childhood? For past questions we use did. Next question. I dashed the internet when he came to our house. So over here, one action was happening and another action interrupted the previous action. So the tense is past continuous. The rule is was or were plus V1 plus ing. So with I, we'll use was and browse is V1 plus ing. So I was browsing. Next one, the audience dashed their seats before the cinema began. So when two actions happen in the past, the earlier action means the first action is past perfect and the later action is simple past. So in this sentence, we have the later action that is cinema began and it is given in simple past. It means the dash must be in past perfect form. So the audience had occupied. Past perfect had plus V3 form of occupy, that is occupied. Next sentence, the farmers dash seeds for 2 hours when the sun set. So the rule is that if an action is continuing for some time in the past before another past action that has happened, then we use past perfect continuous tense. So the hint given over here is for 2 hours. It shows duration. So when the sun set is another past action. So the rule is had been plus V1 plus ing. So will change to sowing. Answer is the farmers had been sowing seeds for 2 hours when the sun set. Next question. There was a stampede when the pilgrims suddenly dash into the temple. So the hint over here is suddenly. Suddenly word indicates a quickly finished action in the past. So the tense is simple past tense. So the simple past tense of rush is rushed. Next question. I wish I dash a car. So the hint over here is the words I wish. It indicates something which is not true in the present. So for such things we use simple past form. So the simple past of have is had. Next one, when dash you born? So in this sentence, birth is a finished past action. So the tense is simple past. So be form we need to apply as given in the bracket. So the be form would be were. When were you born? Next question. How long dash your brother dash stay in the US when you went there for MS? So in this sentence, the hint given is when you went there. It's indicating a past duration, a past time. So questions about the duration before the past time are past perfect sentences. So the past perfect form we need to apply over here. The rule is had plus V3. So how long had your brother? Stay will change to stayed. So how long had your brother stayed in the US? 10th one, Gandhi dash in 1948. So 1948 is a specific time in the past. So it's simple past tense. So past will change to past. So Gandhi passed away in 1948. Next exercise. Fill in the blanks with the simple future, the future continuous, the future perfect, or the future perfect continuous forms of the verbs given in brackets. So students, as per this question, you need to find any of the four future tenses, but in the exercise, they have given only simple future and future continuous. So simple future means something that will happen in the coming future. Let's see the first one. Telangana dash a developed state in 2 years. So the words in 2 years indicates that it is simple future. So words like soon, tomorrow, next week, in 2 years, all these are simple future. The rule is will plus base form of the verb. So base form of the verb is become. So the answer is Telangana will become a developed state in 2 years. Second one, the umpire dashed the controversy within a few minutes. So again, within a few minutes means simple future. So the rule is will plus base form of the verb. So the answer is the umpire will resolve the controversy within a few minutes. Next question. At this point of time, tomorrow the children dash a cartoon film. So in this sentence, the hint is at this point of time tomorrow. It indicates that the action is going to happen tomorrow at a specific time. It is going to start. So the tense of the sentence is future continuous. The rule for future continuous is will be plus V1 plus ing. So will be watching. At this point tomorrow, the children will be watching a cartoon film. Next question, dash you dash all these problems by next week. So the hint over here is by next week. It indicates that in the future this action will happen. So it's simple future. So the rule is will plus base form of the verb. So will you solve all these problems by next week? Next question, if we follow APJ Kalam's advice, India dash soon dash a superpower. So as we discussed earlier, when we get the word soon, it means it is simple future. So we have to apply will plus V1, that is simple future. So will become. Next question, he dash job for 2 years by next year. So over here the hint is for 2 years. So when you get this type of a hint, that is for plus time, which is duration 2 years, and by next year, that is by future time, the correct tense is future perfect continuous. So the rule is will have been plus V1 plus ing. So answer is he will have been doing job for 2 years by next year. So students, the video has become long. In my next video, I'll continue the next most important exercise of tenses. Students, if I was able to help you, then don't forget to hype this video. And if you want easy notes, then contact me on my Telegram ID and do check out the playlist that I gave in the comment section and hit the bell icon to get notified for my next upcoming video.